Oh, oh, smashed the shit out of my finger. Ah, oh, what happened?
You bleeding?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I gotta go cause I got me a drop top, and if I hit the switch then I can make the ass drop. No destination, just riding, watch me gas hop through the intersection, shit bouncing like a grasshopper. Cross threaded 13s, bitch the man right her. Cocked up on 3 wheels, make it slam this.
This way?
Down, go down, yes, go. Oh, go, 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 go. Come on. Use all your muscles. You got it. If I can get it loose for you. All right, there it goes. Not, there you go. Keep going. Spin it off. There you go. All right, before we take it all the way off, let's loosen the other side. Loosen the other side. Go. See? All right, go. There's different ways to get this chain. If it's loose, the bike's not gonna be good. So this is how you get this one tight. You loosen this and you push this back until this is tight, and then you tighten the bolts up. You see how it is or no? There's also a link to the chain that to take it completely apart, but it's fine. Hold on, what are you doing? Where we at? Okay. Hold the wrench. Straight up, straight up. All right, hold it. Holy moly, wait. Let me take the chain off. All right, go, take it. Oh no, wait, let's put the nuts back on it so we won't lose them. Put it on the ground. Okay, how do you take it? Stand it on.
This is not safe, Charlie. Whoa!
Save that right now. Keep it in your hand. What else is holding it? Right here. So, right here, there should be something. Okay, this is gonna have to go to paint, but this is not. So, take those braces off on it with that screwdriver, and if it's spinning, you're gonna have to hold it with this on the other side. It might not spin, but try to take the braces off. He needs some body work. Hopefully he wants to fix that. Oh, smashed the shit out of my finger. Ah, oh, what happened?
You bleeding?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah, that sucks. Oh. Literally, blood, sweat, and tears goes into it. Oh, it's reverse thread, that's right. Oh, you hurt. Did you catch it on camera?
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, but I didn't even see what happened.
I smashed my finger right here, boom, like that.
Oh.
In between the thing. Alright, technical difficulties. My dumb ass don't know how to use tools. Alright, so I forget all this stuff is reverse thread. I forgot about that. I guess so it won't get loose on its own. I haven't took apart a bike this far in a while. You got it, I believe in you.
It's really not moving.
You feeling little balls? That's what makes it spin. These are the bearings. We're probably gonna end up getting new bearings.
Grease or what? What
Yeah,
is
yeah,
it?
that's
Oh.
grease. No, we don't need kind of. Golly, what is that? I had to get a pipe wrench, man. This shit ain't coming. You ready, Violet? Man, I'm gonna slip and punch you in the face. Come on, you ready? You got scared? Huh?
Okay.
Oh, it's alright, I can punch you in the face? Oh, I don't know how assembly's gonna go. I don't know how to scratch this brand new paint. Nah, I think this is gonna be new. This is the fork, I'm thinking. I don't know. What's wrong? Those are the bearings. You have to re-grease this, everything. You already on a lunch break? Ain't even do nothing.
I'm hungry.
Huh?
I'm hungry. What?
All right, we pretty much got it broken down all the way, except I'm gonna have to grind off the chain and grind off this last fender mount. One of the bolts got stripped out, but pretty much we got the green parts except the fork are going to the painter on the next episode. All right, guys, I don't remember how to properly take off the chain. And hey, we're gonna get a new one, so we just gonna cut it. I think there's like a clip or something. I couldn't find it. And then the stripped out bolt. Hey, it was good. We only ended up with one stripped out bolt out the whole bike. That's pretty good. Oh. Whoops, I went a little too far.
And if I hit the switch, bitch, I could make the ass